Let's clean and wash a couple of these articles of clothing without the use of an electric washer. And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one who tries out stuff, reuses stuff, and let's roll into the footage, the one known as CR. Reuse this container here for it because it's got ridges on the inside of it. Add some water in. That's more like gray water. It is actually clean. Probably from like cold water from a shower, before it got warm, for example. 1 drop of soap. Add in a little bit of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate in there for whitening purposes. Abrasive. Add it in. Stuff that I want to clean. Let's see if this actually all fits in the bottle. I might need more water. Also, the materials will start absorbing in the water. Shake this up.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
10 minutes later. Okay, let's drain the water out here. I gotta wring it out. Get all the items out. Pretty much put that to the side. That gray water, put it in fresh water, clean water, and rinse it. And again, wring this back out once again. Then, of course, afterwards, hang it to dry. You could put it out in the sun, especially if it's above freezing. But currently it's not, so I have to hang them inside for now. I took this gray water and I ran it through a pre-filter to remove the stuff like lint, the larger particles that are inside of this, because actually these gloves and socks or whatever that you saw are actually synthetic. So I decided to try this out and clean up the water a little bit more, so it's a little bit less dirty or less particulates in it. Another option when you don't have that electric washer available to use. When our world changes, we can adapt to our skill and knowledge to get better with practice. Try to help someone out there, everyone, and take care.